over the years have just opened our doors to treat as many people as we can. And I think that's what makes Malvern stand out.
Malvern's celebrating 75 years. I think the reason they've been able to do that and stay around for so long is that at the core they really do care about people.
I think that Malvern staff really cares about the patients.
I think that Malvern has thrived for 75 years because of the people who work for Malvern, genuinely. And they keep up to date on the research. They know how much trauma contributes to substance misuse. They understand how important family members are to the healing, recovery, and the long-term journey.
What makes Malvern so special is that they definitely, their staff puts in more than they're supposed to. They actually care about the people coming in, and they truly want people to do the best when they get out of here.
The staff, not only are a lot of them in recovery, but to them this isn't a job. This is really what they do. It's their passion, it's their commitment. It's not just for them, it's for the community, and that just bleeds through. It is something that in research it's hard, it's an intangible to measure, but it's there when you see it. And I felt it that first day, and I have never looked back. It's an honor to work at the campus, and the staff there just are really loving and accepting to those individuals, whether it's the first time they've come in or the 20th, it doesn't matter.
I have come across the most caring, qualified, really competent, go the extra mile team players.
When we do send someone here, that they'll get the care that they need and they deserve.
If I had a parent say to me, why would I want to send them to Malvern? My response were, because you're going to find them, they have a lot of empathy for what's going on. They understand addiction. They will keep you informed. Also, they have a program for family members, because I understand that the addict doesn't only have to recover, the family has to recover, because the disease affects all the loved ones.
The world doesn't treat us like people a lot of the times, especially when we're in that low place. So when we have that opportunity to have somebody look at us like a human being, again, it's a very it's kind of hard to describe, but I see it every day here, and they care about him.
This gentleman came into treatment and he didn't have a leg due to complications from his, using and having a bad infection and having to lose it. And when he came in, he was in a wheelchair, and he kept saying, I'm gonna walk out of here, I'm gonna walk out of here. And truthfully, I didn't think he would. And his counselor contacted a program that's in the building, and they came and they made him a prosthetic leg. And he, I'm actually getting filled up, sorry. But I saw him in the hallway, and he said, it feels so good to stand up and look you in the eye. It was special. It was really special.
Whether you want to call it providential or, just exceptionally good professional selection, I don't know. But I think it's the people that really make the program. It's more than a building or a job description. It's really that they live the job description and really care.
Their commitment to individuals, we work with clients who have gone through Malvern. And, to the person, the one thing that they always say is the staff were just unbelievably supportive.
A nurturing thing that happens like it would in a small town. You get to know people. You want to go where someone knows your name, and you get that feeling at Malvern.
What can you do to help someone else? Christmas is lonely just for normal people sometimes. We could give a teddy bear to someone on Christmas morning to ease maybe some of their pain and loneliness that they were having during the holidays.
When I found myself in treatment on Christmas, I don't think I've ever felt more alone in my life. I had called home Christmas Eve, which is a big deal in my family and my culture. We're Polish, we do big Christmas Eve, and no one wanted to talk to me. My dad, I could hear, my mom answered the phone, she was heartbroken. I could hear my dad in the background saying, let it go, hang up the phone, she's not our daughter. And I don't think I've ever felt more alone.
Just this little gesture, if they wake up and they see something under the tree for them, oh my goodness.
So waking up on Christmas morning and seeing a gift bag with a teddy bear and a hoodie. It might have seemed like so small to some people, but like getting that teddy bear gave me just enough motivation to want to go to that 12-step meeting, to raise my hand and say, I'm Rachel, I'm an addict, and I'm really grateful that I'm clean today. And I felt like it was the first time in a long time where I felt like that me and my recovery mattered to someone.
We always said that if it's just, we just save one person at a time, that'll make a difference in this world.
It's not a job for them, it's a vocation. I mean, you can see that. You know, you can see that they are really love what they do and are so committed to try to help people who are struggling with these disorders.
There's a rich history here. It's lasted as long as it did for a reason.
The most rewarding part of my job is to show up every day to a team of professionals who come in every day with hope and resilience and believe that we can truly help people in long-term recovery.
The facility's always made it real welcoming for people to stay involved once they leave here, regardless. And I feel like it's just was always a non-judgmental space for me to start to heal in.
It's like family. So it's coming home, and this is coming back to the people who saw you. These people help bring you back to life, and they really care, and it's cool.
I think what makes Malvern so special is the staff here really wants to help you. It's not just a job to them. They come to work every day with the attitude of, how can I help the next sick and suffering addict?
I actually love working for Malvern, and I think that it is an environment where you feel appreciated.
It's nice to walk in here, right, and be able to hug the first person you see because you know them.
It's a place that you can use your gifts and your experience in a way that you couldn't anywhere else.